every truly cultured music student knows, you must learn your scales and your arpeggios. Such cultured words spoken by the classic Disney film, The Aristocats. Hello, my singing friends! Today we will do some vocal warm-ups and exercises that use scales and arpeggios. We do these exercises all the time, but we don't always call them by these names. A scale is an ordered sequence of notes. The most common scale we are familiar with is the major scale. For example, do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, ti, la, so, fa, mi, re, do. But there are lots of others. An arpeggio, do, mi, so, mi, do, 1, 3, 5, 3, 1, is simply a broken chord, a chord played one note at a time. So when we do warm-ups and exercises, we are training our minds and our body to recognize and perform patterns. So today we'll keep it pretty simple with some of the most common scales and arpeggios. So let's start today with an ascending, then descending pentascale. Not to be confused with a pentatonic scale, the pentascale is just the first 5 notes of a major scale. Let's sing E, A, and go. E, let's do a lip trill on a pentascale, followed by a descending arpeggio. It sounds like this. Try it. Moving now to a descending arpeggio on a major triad, let's sing Z-O-A like this. Z-O-A and go. Z-O-A, 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 Now let's sing the following arpeggio. Ga, 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 ga. This will allow for great breath control and a relaxed larynx position. Here we go. Ga, 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 ga. 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 Now let's move on to a pentascale with a full octave arpeggio extension. Pentascale, octave arpeggio. We will sing this on I know, 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 I know. Here we go. I know, 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 I know. I know, 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 I know. I know, 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 I know. I know, 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 I know. I know, 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 I Now let's take a full 1-octave major scale. This will allow us to expand into a wider range and zero in on a key. You can sing this on numbers, on solfege, or a neutral syllable like la 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 la. I will choose the latter. We will sing la 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 la. Here we go. La la Moving now to a minor pentascale, let's sing Zia. Here we go. Zia, Zia, Finally, let's open up to a major 1-octave arpeggio. Let's sing on zig-zag and go. Zig-zag, 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 Thank you so much for working on your scales and arpeggios with me. When you like or share or subscribe, it helps my video reach more people, and that means more empowered singers. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.